Now when I picked up my winch from Quadboss, I also picked up their winch accessory kit. Now the winch accessory kit comes with a warranty registration card, it comes with a tree saver. This is long enough you can wrap this around a good sized tree. It comes with a shackle. What you do is you take your tree saver, you wrap it around a tree, take your shackle, run it through the loops. You can take your winch hook, hook it over the shackle, and then you can pull your razor out, pull your folder out, pull your buddy out. And it comes with your snatch block. So if you've got a 5,000 pound winch, a snatch block will double your pulling capacity. So if you run your snatch block, you'll have 10,000 pound of pulling capacity. And it also comes with a carrying case. It's got plenty of room to put the stuff that comes with the kit in it. Plus you've got extra storage. If you've got something else you'd like to keep in the bag, you need somewhere to put it, then you can also put it in this bag. Now, this bag comes with Velcro straps, so you can throw it in your toolbox, or you can mount it between the seats of your razor. You can put this on your center bar, and you can let this hang down between your seats, and you've got your little pouch here, so you can put your wallet, you can put whatever you need in your top pouch or your bottom pouch, however you want to do it. But anyway, that's all there is to the Quadboss accessory kit. If you've got a winch, you need some of this stuff. You don't want to wrap that winch around a tree. If you're out in the middle of the woods, you wrap that winch around a tree and hook it back to itself. You're not only going to damage the winch line, but you're also going to damage the tree. And that's a no-no when you're in the woods. But if you've got a tree saver, you can wrap that around it. If you've got a snatch block, if you ain't got a big enough winch, you can double your pulling capacity. It's just handy to have. If you ever need it. You may never need it, but it's like the winch. It's a cheap insurance policy. But anyway, that's looking at the Quadboss accessory kit. We'll see you on the trails.